Today I'm going to show you how to create an email on Namecheap in a simple and clear way. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. To create a professional email, you need to have a domain name. If you don't have one yet, you can buy a domain directly on Namecheap. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the domain list and find your domain. Click on Manage, and then look for the option called Email or Private Email. Now, you'll need to choose an email plan. Namecheap usually offers affordable options and sometimes even a free trial. Select the plan that fits your needs and continue. After that, create your email address. For example, you can create something like yourname@yourdomain.com, mail to yourname@yourdomain.com. Set a secure password and confirm the setup. Once your email is created, you can access it through Namecheap's webmail or connect it to apps like Gmail or Outlook. And that's it. Your professional email is ready to use with your domain, making your business or brand look much more professional.